What's blowing up on GitHub this week? Welcome to GithubTrends, where we spotlight 5 open source projects you need to know about. Let's dive in. What if your computer could do tasks for you? Agent Zero is an autonomous AI that treats your entire system as a tool. It writes and executes code, searches the web, manages files, and even coordinates with subordinate agents to complete complex tasks. With persistent memory, it learns from every interaction, evolving with each conversation. Star the repo at github.com lifei agent 0. What if AI could work for you while you sleep? AutoGPT lets you build AI agents that run continuously, automating complex workflows without constant supervision. With 82,000 stars, this platform offers a low-code builder where you connect blocks to create agents that read Reddit trends, generate videos, transcribe content, and post to social media. Deploy agents that trigger automatically and keep working around the clock. Star the repo at github.com Significant-Gravitas AutoGPT. Want to build AI agents that actually work in production? LangChain is the agent engineering platform trusted by LinkedIn, Uber, and Klarna. With 180,000 stars on GitHub, it gives you a standard interface for any model, embeddings, and vector stores. Chain components together, swap models freely, and ship faster with modular architecture. Whether you're building chatbots or complex multi-agent workflows, LangChain's battle-tested patterns get you from prototype to production. Join the community of 108,000 developers. Star the repo at github.com langchain-ai langchain. What if your automation tool actually let you write code when you needed it? N8N does exactly that. It's a workflow automation platform with over 400 integrations. Build visually for speed, then drop in JavaScript or Python for flexibility. It has native AI capabilities, and you can self-host it anywhere. Your data stays completely under your control. Join 178,000 developers who trust N8N. Star the repo at github.com N8N N8N. What if you could build AI apps without writing code? Dify gives you a visual canvas to create production-ready AI workflows in minutes. Connect any LLM from GPT to Llama, build RAG pipelines for your documents, and deploy agents with over 50 built-in tools. Go from prototype to production through an intuitive drag-and-drop interface backed by robust APIs. This open-source platform has earned 130,000 stars for a reason. Star the repo at github.com langgenius, Dify, and start building AI apps visually today. Hit like, smash subscribe, and catch you in the next one.